Hi, hello, good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you are all doing well. Today, we are going to see some of the things from our file handling. So, we are going to see some more practical implementation on file handling. That will be last time we have seen how to append writing and then reading file, right? Existed files. Now, today we are going to see the same thing but different modes. Suppose if I'm just going to open that, F is a file name. I'm just going to open a new file. So new file 1, okay, .txt. This is the file name. Txt is the extension of this text file, and then it is in writing mode. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to ask the user how many number of lines you want to enter into this particular file. So for that, I'm just going to say that line 1 is a variable name, and here we're just going to say integer input. How many lines you need to be printed onto the file, means how many lines you want to write onto the file. Okay, then after that I'm just going to use for loop. For I in 11th standard you learnt how to use for loop. For I in range 0 to n times, so that we are going to take just here, this one is n. Okay, so 0 to n times, this is what the range of values we are going to get from the user. So n number of times it will be, this loop will be rotated and get all the informations. I'm just going to say that line, okay, so okay, line 1. Now you are going to get string, and then again input. You tell the user to enter line 1 by 1. So this loop will be executed n times. Suppose if the user say that 5 number of times I need to enter 5 lines, so that 0 to 5 times this line will be executed. So it will be getting input line from the user and will be saved in this line 1. Now I'm just going to say that f dot write this particular line 1. That's it. So means you are going to get input of the line from the user and it will be saved in line 1. This line 1 will be now will be written on this file f5. Okay, that's it. After finishing of this, say information that file has been created, okay, and return all the contents also, right, successfully created. Then afterwards you have to close this file. So inside the loop you have written getting input of this particular line and f dot write. That's it. Only one keyword for writing onto the file is f dot write, and particular line whichever you are getting from the user will be named saved into this particular file. That's it. After that you are going to close this file. That's it. Now if you are running this, press F5 to run this one and give some name for this. How many lines you need to be printed on this file? I'm just going to say that, okay, 5 lines. Enter line. Just you can write anything. Enter again. Okay, these are all the lines will be now. File has been now created. This many line has been entered by you into the system. Now file has been created. So how will you go and see this? Now go to this particular environment. Okay, press File Explorer and copy here, paste it, press enter. Now you search the file name, that is new file 1. You see here whatever you have written on that file has been now written over here, right? And append also, yesterday you have seen append mode, you can utilize just that mode also here. And then we are going to do some of the more things with command. We are going to learn with command. So how to use with? Same opening command as F, that's it. And these things should be given into indent, that's it. Now I'm just going to say that indent region, that's it. Okay, so again if you want to open the same file, you can go for append mode. So how many lines you need to append? Okay, so press F5 to run this. Okay, how many lines you want to append? Just 2 lines. Enter first line. Second line. Okay, file has been now created, appended also. Now going back to the same folder, press Ctrl C, go back here, the same file is there. See some of the more contents also now. See here, I like programming so much so that I won't become a programmer. So this is what file handling yesterday we have seen. Now extension programs also today we have worked out, right? So how to now append a file by using with command and for loops. How to get inputs of lines from the user by using for loops. How to use with command. These are the things, new things today you have learned. So you work out it and send all the outputs to my WhatsApp number. Okay, I want to see this. Work out this with command, append mode, for loop, how to get more lines from the user through for loop. These are the things you must work out today and show me all the outputs as well as the program also I want to see. Okay, see you next video. Bye. See you.